Today we're going to make meatloaf burgers. You're going to need a pound of hamburger, 1 onion, 1 egg, and about a half a cup of breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, and ketchup. So I put the hamburger in the bowl and I'm just going to chop up some onion. Okay, I have a pound of ground beef in the bowl. We're going to add pepper and salt. Just kind of eyeball the amount you put in. And then a half of the onion chopped. One egg. And about a half a cup of the breadcrumbs. And you can just mix it up. Okay, we got the mixture mixed up. I'm gonna bring it over here and we're gonna make these into like burger size. If you don't want to do it into burgers, you can make just a regular meatloaf in a meatloaf pan. Okay, we have the meatloaf mixture mixed up and ready to go. I made it into patties. And if you choose not to make it in patties, you can just form it in your meatloaf pan. And so now I'm going to top it with ketchup. And we'll put it in the oven at 350 for an hour. Either way is an hour in the oven. Meatloaf burgers are done. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.